Right, so quick video about one of my latest books that I've written. Improvised self-defense weapons. This has probably been out for about a month, but I just hadn't had the chance to order it so I could do the video. And I wanted to actually show it rather than just, show screenshots or whatever. So it's on Amazon worldwide for about £5, and then whatever the equivalent of that is in other countries. Some countries is even cheaper. It's about 50 pages long, and like I said, it's about improvised self-defense weapons. So I'll give you a little bit of a look. That's the cover. It's in black and white. That's the back, and it's kind of, well, not kind of, it is improvised self-defense weapons. I'll show you some of the insides. I'll put a bit of a disclaimer there, and it's got pictures like that in it. So as you can see, guys, some of it's completely improvised, like a can in a bag. You've got an umbrella, some pencils, chain and lock, bottle of water, tightly rolled up magazine or newspaper, sock with stuff in it, kind of weapons like that. So we've got introduction, common improvised weapons, EDC items, bags and pouches, long reach items, women's items, defensive items, shields, public areas, other items, techniques, methods to use certain items. It's a brief book. It's not got a massive amount of detail, but it kind of gives you a rundown of some items, gives you some ideas, and then some kind of basic techniques on how you could use things. Because some things, when you look at them, you might think, well, how are you supposed to use that as, for self-defense or whatever. So I'll kind of give a rough idea on how to use them. Like I said, yeah, this has already been out for about a month, but just hadn't had a chance to order it. And but wanted to show you the proper book rather than just, screenshots or whatever. To most people this makes sense, but it gives people ideas. Kind of, I suppose, environmental weapons and stuff like that, tools. That's Miranda's hand, but she's not getting any royalties for this. So yeah, like I said, about 50 pages long. It's on there for about roughly £5. If you're interested, have a look. I've got another one which has been out for even longer, but I haven't done a video about it. So I'll do that in a couple of days as well. So yeah, improvised self-defense weapons on Amazon right now, worldwide, wherever you are. Get it if you want it. I'll put some links in the description for this one, if anyone's interested. And yeah, it's also available as an ebook or Kindle version, which is even cheaper. That's probably on there for maybe £2.50, something like that. Or if you've got Amazon Prime, you may be able to get it even cheaper, or one of those kind of Kindle things. But yeah, so it's available as an ebook, paperback book, Kindle, all on Amazon, on every site, Amazon site you can think of. Right, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.